Sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and more. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.